A downtown classic with new updates. Welcome everyone on this Vegas Snowman. A walkthrough of the Fremont Hotel Casino. Starting from the Fremont Street Casino Center Boulevard entrance. The Fremont Hotel and Casino opened on May 18, 1956 as the tallest building in the state of Nevada. In 1959, Wayne Newton made his start in Las Vegas at the Fremont at its Carnival Lounge. The Fremont Casino measures up at 32,000 square feet and supports over 900 gaming machines and 22 tables. On the northwest side of the casino floor, there is the hotel registration and a gift shop. Here is the casino bar, and here is the long line to get into the restaurant Tony Roma's. Tony Roma's is a long-running, family-friendly steakhouse chain known for its ribs, onion loaf, and Roma Rita drinks. This is the only Tony Roma's location in Las Vegas. They offer an $8.99 prime rib dinner special that's only available from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. every day. Here's Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory offering premium confections and chocolates, gift baskets, and fresh caramel apples and dipped strawberries. Next is Lene Express, offering a full array of Chinese dishes. This is where you can get the 99-cent shrimp cocktail. Plus you can get a 2-item combo for only $8.99. That's a lot of food for under $10. Located on the northeast side of the casino floor is the new expanded gaming area, sportsbook, and food hall. This $50 million upgrade added 10,000 square feet of gaming area with a fresh modern look. Behind the gaming area is the recently added Fremont Food Hall, offering a variety of delicious local, regional, and national dining experiences without a long wait. Here's Steak and Shake. For over 85 years now, Steak and Shake has been serving up those delicious steak burgers and milkshakes. The new food hall also has an outdoor patio dining area adjacent to the Fremont Street Experience. Here's Tomo Noodles, serving quality interpretations of classic ramen, dumplings, and boba milk fruit teas. where the Lottery offers rotisserie from free-range meats raised by trusted family farms. Huey Magoo's serves only real chicken tenders made from tenderloin, and they're all natural with no antibiotics, hormones, steroids, or preservatives. Dunkin' Donuts has coffee drinks, breakfast sandwiches, muffins, bagels, and those wonderful donuts. Craft Kitchen is a local chef-owned cafe that offers dishes full of personality using local seasonal ingredients. And here's the new recently added Fremont FanDuel Sportsbook. Betting is available on most major events, and winning tickets may be cashed around the clock. There's also convenient betting kiosks that are available 24 hours a day. On the east side of the casino floor near 3rd Street is the Filament Bar, a compact, unassuming hangout featuring drink specials, electric casino games, and sports viewing. On the south side of the casino floor is the Boys Rewards Desk. Get your player's card here. And next is the cashier's cage with ticket redemption and ATM machines. And now here we are back where we started from as we complete this walkthrough of the Fremont Hotel Casino, Las Vegas. At Fremont Street Experience, there are plastic cups located at the exit of every casino. Outside of the casino, all adult beverages are required to be in plastic cups. Like what I'm doing, show support and hit that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.